Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Messenger notifications not working. First of all, go ahead and open your settings app, search for notification and make sure you have turned it allow notification for the Messenger app. After that, turn off focus mode on this in the settings app. In the settings app, go ahead and search for focus and then make sure to turn it off. Then you're going to update Messenger by going to your app store, search for Messenger and make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. Safety tip: do not allow sensitive notifications in lock screen if you share your device. Quick fix: toggle notifications off, then turn back on, and that's it. Subscribe for more.